What's up, guys? Your favorite YouTube dad, Papa James, and you are now tuning in on how to grill what I call, what we call, what my fam call daddy chicken. Let's get it. You ready for some daddy chicken? You ready for some daddy chicken? Huh? You want some daddy chicken? Yeah. Yeah. To the store? Okay. I'm making a video. You want a video? Look. I'm finna make a barbecue video. I wanted you to tell the people how good your daddy chicken is. Good. It's real good. You like it, huh? Yeah. See, I ain't even tell her to say that. She just said it on her own. All right, I'll let you get your hair done. Call me back when you finish, okay? Okay. All right, love you. All right. All right, so I got my black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some Creole seasoning. Now, I mean, do whatever you do. That's just what I do. And then this is some charcoal, a lump charcoal. It's like wood charcoal. First time using it, Mama Lou picked it up, so I'm gonna try it out. All right. So then, before I season my food, I like to go and soak the charcoal in some lighter fluid. You know what I'm saying? Let it sit, let it get off in there. You know, so it'll burn pretty good. So you know I do that. See that? And then it's time to do my chicken. Now the most important step to cooking daddy chicken is to wash that meat, man. If you don't wash your meat, don't invite me over to eat. For real, it's a big thing, man. You gotta wash that meat. Then after that, throw on that black pepper, that onion powder, that garlic powder, that seasoning, you know. And I usually just season the front, the top, then I flip it over, season the back real good, you know what I'm saying? Make sure, you know, do it to your liking, to whatever you feel is enough. You know, I just try to get it soaked enough, and I just flip it over and rub it all together, you know, like so. You know, just rub it together, get that season on everything. You know, you don't want to miss a piece. And then after that, I add some Worcester, I don't know how to say it, man. You see it. I add that on the, you know, sprinkle some on the, get it good, you know. And I usually let it marinate overnight, like I just let it sit in the refrigerator. But I didn't know I was grilling today, so kind of just did it last minute, so it's all good. Then, you know, you go light your fire and let it burn, you know. Let it burn. I say let it burn for about 15 minutes, you know. Let it get down to like an ash a little bit, like smoking, you know. And make sure it's all evenly burning. Then sit your chicken on there. Now, you see me putting this chicken close together. But that's because I was cooking a lot of chicken and I didn't feel like, you know, I had a lot more to put on there and I didn't feel like, you know, taking all day. But I would say put a space in between them though. Put some space in between them so they can cook better and you can flip them better. And also put some olive oil in a bowl and kind of brush the grill so it won't stick as bad. You know, that's what I do. That's me checking the coals and stuff. But it look like it's cooking pretty good, you know. Cooking pretty good. Making sure, you know, everything, check it out. And I had a few that I wasn't sure about, so I just let them stay on longer. You know, they had a little more meat on them. So I'll get that out the way. And this is what I'm using today, crab. Now I use barbecue sauce, crab, or I use Sweet Baby Ray's, but I always add some extra to the sauce. That's why you see it in this bowl and with the spoon in it and stuff. But I ain't gonna tell y'all my recipe. It's a secret recipe. But yeah, look at that. Look at how I spread this on there though. This daddy chicken right here. With some daddy sauce. Some daddy sauce. Yeah. And that's it, man. It's ready. It's ready. She ready right there. She ready. Gonna bite it. And there you have it, man. Daddy chicken, man. Daddy's chicken. Ain't nothing like it.